locators, what we have learned so far. In this, we don't have it. Is it student details? Yes. Where is that list? Where is that file, guys? What was the name of that file, guys? Where we are having all the locators inside one single file.
HTML.
HTML.
That is the newest.
This one. Yes. This one is having all the methods, right? So here, in this, coming back to the assignment, first we have to identify the role. Okay. So for the first, let's consider this first tile. Okay. Data engineer. I want to extract this data engineer. How are you going to do this, guys? First, right click on this, click on inspect. Okay. So if you see this, this is the tag where it is present. Okay. Is this, so what is the tag name here, guys, for this? Is it too small? Let me right click on this, copy element. Okay. After copy element, let me open, let's paste it here only. A very big element. So what is the tag, guys, for that element? Tag name. So this is the tag. What is this tag name? The P, it's an H. What is the tag?
A,
right? So what are the attributes it is having, guys? It is having something called class.
Yeah.
It is having something called href, some title, target. So these are 4 attributes present: class, href, title, target. Okay. Now if we take title, okay, a title equals to data engineer. But this, if we take that, then what would be the, we want to create a locator that is, okay, first let's take this also. So if we give, we come here, we give control F and then we give a double A. Okay. So this will select how many elements are there, guys? Can you see this with A tag?
307.
307 elements are there. Not possible. So we have to use some other thing. So if we consider this class, okay, if we take this class here, let's copy this. Let me write it here only, type it for you guys. A @ class. Okay, if you get some value here, this is a value. This is a very simple like xpath what we saw, right? Directly with the name and one of the attributes. Okay, so let's copy that. How many elements are we getting, guys?
20.
20. So which is the first element? Data engineer, second element, lead engineer, third element, master data. So is it capturing the title for all the job postings, guys? Can you see it? Right?
But Danish, first question here is how we went to this. We know that we need to go to A only.
Again, see, I'm let me okay. I'm closing this. Okay. I want the role data engineer. I right clicked on it. Yeah. And I clicked on inspect. So you see automatically which one got highlighted.
So I need just select the data engineer, then right click. Huh?
Yes, right click and inspect. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, even if that is not happening, see there is one arrow here on top. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Just click here and then click on that element what you want. I want data engineer. I'm clicking here. So automatically right hand side there will be one thing highlighted.
Okay. I'm searching for a role actually.
Yes, we are searching for role now. So if we give this locator, we are getting all the 20 roles in this page. So if we store that in a list, guys, this 20, if we can get this value and we can store in a list, then we will get 20 roles, right? Okay. So similarly, we have to find out. So this is one locator. This is working for our role.
Okay.
I am putting it here. Now I have to find for company name.
Company name.
Okay, which company posted it? So it is here. It is New Era India Consultancy. Okay.
So I will click on the arrow, right?
So we'll click here on the arrow, and we will click here New Era India. Okay. So you see which one is getting highlighted, guys?
So we click on the arrow, then click on the place where we were looking for, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, but you see there's something in blue, something in yellow, a little bit confusing. Why is that? Because there's already one locator we have written here. So I will remove it. Okay. Now do the same thing again, arrow and this New Era India Consultancy. Now there's only one this. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if those who are experienced, they can navigate through this HTML and find out. But for since we are starting as a new thing here, so I will just right click here. I will copy this element, and I will again paste it here. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see what are the attributes present inside this. Okay, so this is also an A tag. We have this class, we have this title. So let's do it with class like what we did for previously. Okay, let's copy this class name.
But this A tag is present in the div tag, is the child, right?
But since we are using relative xpath, we are directly going to this. We are not doing because if we are not able to uniquely identify this, then we will see what is the parent of this or what is the child of this. How can we uniquely identify this? But if it is being identified by its own attribute, then we won't be going through those things. Okay.
Okay.
So here also, if you see 1 of 20.
1 of 20.
See 4 of 20. So it's a bit small. Can I make it bigger? I do control plus. Okay. Now you see it's a little bit bigger now, right? 6 of 20.
Yeah.
7 of 20. 8 of, so it is giving me the company name. So if I can store these company names also in the list, we'll get all the company names also like this.
Yes.
Okay, so we are storing this also. We are saving this. So we got the role, we got the company. Now experience. So experience 4 to 6. Let me click on this and then we will go to this experience. Okay, so this is a span. I click this copy element and so these are not required now. I'm removing them or let it be, no problem. Let's keep it here. So this span is a very small, guys. Okay, so how can we uniquely identify this? Can you guys tell me? I will use a span tag, and what shall I use here?
Class.
Okay, @class equals to. Shall I copy this entire thing?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's try to see whether So 1 of 18. Why everyone was giving me 1 of 20? Why this is giving me 1 of 18? So it will miss 2 records, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's some problem with this, guys. It is giving me only 18 records. It should give me 20. Either someone has not posted in some opening, they have not posted the number of years of experience. That field is empty. Like for example, if you see here, guys, walk-in drive seating design engineer, have they mentioned the years of experience in this particular Tata?
No.
So maybe because of that, it is there might be few posting where they have not given the number of years. That is why it is not taking up. Okay, so these are the challenges. Also, we'll see how to overcome them. Okay, but this is fine. It is giving me 18 records, although the other way giving 20 records. Okay, so we'll take this as one locator. Experience. Okay, then we have to find out location. Location, let's go to the top. It is in Bangalore, first one. Let's copy this, copy element. So here also we can use the class name directly. Okay, if I copy this. So maybe for few posts, this is also 1 of 18, right, guys? If you see. So there might be some openings for where they have not mentioned the location. That is why we are not getting 20 of 20. Okay. There might be somewhere it is missing. Not sure where it is missing, but this is this locator we can use. Okay, guys. Though it's not visible to me where it is missing, but fine. But this should work for most of the cases, so we will take this. Okay. Okay, so this is also a valid locator we found out for location. I hope these values will not change, because if these values changes every time, then our locator will fail. But no problem. We'll take this as for the time being. Now the last one is number of days ago the job was posted. That is 6 days ago, 6 days ago, like this. Okay. So I did like this. I will go here. Let's copy this element. Okay, so this is also having a class. Let's take that. So 1 of 22, this is giving me 2 extra, guys. Okay. So if you see it, 1 of 22. So 4 days ago, 21 days ago, 26 days ago, 30 days ago, 30 plus walk-in. Okay, we have walk-ins also 3 days ago. Okay, if you see this, where we have 2 things mentioned here, walk-in, and here we had only 30 days ago, it was taking this as 1. But here there are 2 things mentioned. One is walk-in and another thing is 1 day ago. So it is taking both. Okay. So maybe we have to filter this XPath, refine this even more. Okay. To handle some exception, because this is a web page, right? Sometimes 1 or 2 things extra added here and there. So You have to be a little bit careful in this. Right? So this is also a good one. 22. We'll see how to remove that 2 extra elements from here. So in this way, guys, we found out the locators. Okay. Now, since we found out the locators, now we have to run our Python code to extract the values from these locators. Okay. To do that, we have to install Selenium. Okay. You have to open your command prompt and you have to type here pip install Selenium. Okay, for me it is already done, so it is showing me requirement already satisfied, but for others, it will install this. Okay, guys, so we will see the rest of the part, how to extract in the upcoming classes. So till now, I hope it is clear.